Alright, today on Old Rascal Garage, we're trying to get that dang headboard on that 65 Chevy C10 short bed step side. Ah!
Well, that's the kind of bolts I like. It's a little short. You know, I think I'll have Tractor Supply see if they got any of them. I like them. Most of the ones I got is long.
Yeah, a little stubby.
Yeah, some body bolts there, so they got nuts built in them.
No. Tell you what, work outside and work inside. Maybe getting.
It's got a turn down lip on it right here. See what you do. It's got a lip on it.
Yeah, well, that one don't. It's rotted off. It's just going. We're just going to have to pull on it. It's just stuck.
Yes. I'm gonna get that new one back in with that lip on it. It's got a L on it. Maybe they didn't have. They took them out.
Yeah, may do. Hang on, hold. You got it. It's gonna come up. Pull them up.
Come right here. It'd be easy. Up there. Yeah, that's got to just eat off. That's what's wrong. Yes, it's got an L that comes across.
Yeah, the whole bottom's eat off of it.
You're supposed to have a bolt in it right there. Keep them good. Yeah, that's the hole for it right there. And patched right here. Look at all that.
Yeah, it's eat up, man. Yeah, we got that old rusty headboard off the bed of the 65 Chevrolet C10. It's all rusted down through there. Pop's got him a new one. We're gonna stick it on there. He's had it in the box for a while. We'll dig it out. Ah, there's a new headboard Pop's got. So we can get that bad boy slapped on. Old Rascal's still getting at it, man. He grinding that down so we get a little smooth. We'll slap a little etching paint on there.
Leave it bend down, but it won't do a big fire.
That looks a lot cleaner. I keep it from rusting.
Yeah. Take your foot and drop that stand there. Ain't nothing like it when you got them with a plan.
All right.
Watch your hand.
Ah, shit. Yeah, we're gonna have to bend it back enough to get it in there.
That's what I think.
Get that in there.
Get one in
We
first.
may have to go in like that.
So I'm gonna try and get one in first. Now I gotta get a thinner screwdriver.
Come on. Of course, threads, right? Out with the old and with the new headboard in the 65 Chevy C10 bed.